Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss some differences between verification and validation. Okay, you can also find this question in my web page technicalpage.net. Okay, so it is part of QA interview questions and answers part 1. Okay, and if you go to the question number 10, this is the question: what is the difference between verification and validation? Okay, so let's discuss the differences between verification and validation. The verification is the process of determining if the product meets the business requirement or the specification. Okay, whereas validation is the process of determining if the product meets the client's expectation or need. Okay. The second point is we test the design, codes, data, front end, back end, and so on in verification. In validation, we validate the actual product. Okay. The third point is verification is done while the product is under development. Okay, whereas validation is done after the product is developed. Okay, so the fourth point is verification involves low level testing such as reviews, inspections, analysis, and so on, whereas validation involves high-level testing such as performance testing, load testing, stress testing, black box testing, white box testing, gray box testing, and so on. Let's see the next point. The bugs are found early. Okay, in verification we find the bugs early, whereas in validation we find the bugs which are missed by verification. Okay, so the bugs which are missed by verification we find in the validation. Let's see the next point. Verification is done before validation. Okay, so first we do the verification and after that we do the validation. So validation is done after the verification. Okay. And let's see the next point. Verification is done by software testers or QAs, means quality assurance analyst, whereas validation is done by client, customer, or UAT team. Okay, so these are some common differences between verification and validation. Okay. That is all in this video. Thank you for watching this video.